Here we come to the elevator at Florence Hall at Southern Methodist University in Dallas, Texas. This is an Otis LRV from 1991. And would you look at that? There's a glass shaft. We got a fan here. Didn't make that jolt since it was sitting for a while. Can't even hear the motor well because the fan. G. I'm not going to do all the elevators here at SMU because a lot of them are modded and nothing really that fancy. I'm only here to focus on the original elevators and some interesting ones. Like a tastefully modernized Otis elevator like the one at McFarland Auditorium. I'm going to send this up and I want you to watch it from up that shaft. Look at that right there. Isn't that interesting? All right, let's call it down. See, look at that right there. This is an interesting panel view. See, this is an I've never seen a glass above the hoistway door before. This is quite interesting. It would be nice if they made the door glass. And here it comes. I might go for one more ride on this. Can't really see up. You can see up the shaft, but the door operator's blocking the way. I don't think the indicator works. I don't think. Actually, it does work. It's just really dim. Doesn't classic level, I don't think. All right, here we are at one. All right, there it goes. And that's it.